Hello, dear friends. As I have already told you that this channel is wholly dedicated to education. So no, probably the slides would tell you that this is a different subject. It's education, but obviously this is an education about bonsai. Yes, if your passion is bonsai, the first and foremost consideration that you need to have is the choice of plants. Which plant would you choose? And for me, I like the ficus plants the best because they're very tough. But ficus bengalensis, this is we call it commonly as banyan tree. This plant is really great for bonsai making, but remember, its leaves are huge. So for bonsai, you must have a plant with thick trunk and very small and thick leaves, glossy, and obviously the plants which are really very tough. So for me, the best bonsai making plant, and obviously for the beginners, is the ficus microcarpa. And as you have found, this plant is only 1.5 years old. This is not a very old plant, but still you can see that it has aerial roots, it has thick trunk, and it's looking very much like a tree. Though I haven't finally repotted it, it's still waiting to be repotted and for the final stepping. But believe me, if you are a beginner and you want to begin bonsai, if you want to chase your hobby in bonsai making, you don't have any other plant that would actually make you such comfortable with this process. So go for bonsai making with ficus microcarpa, and I can assure you that you'd find it great. So you may try with banyan tree as well, but it would need you some more effort to make the leaves smaller. But ficus microcarpa is just a perfect choice for anyone and everyone. So enjoy gardening and enjoy my channel. Learn something from me and let me learn something from you. If you are fresh to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that each and every video that I would post obviously gives you a notification and you could enjoy my efforts. I think you have liked it. I think we'll meet again. Thank you very much for watching. Happy gardening, happy learning, and stay happy, stay with your plants. Bye bye.